Do you want to make $100 per day from Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm sharing with you how you can make $100 per day from Facebook, guys. But before that, if you new to on this channel, hey, my name is Naim. In this channel, I teach people how to make money online and start your own online business so you can get more freedom to spend the time your kids or travel the world with just your laptop and internet connection. So if you're interested on this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, welcome back to my screen, and we are right now on Google and search on ClickBank. As you can see here, ClickBank. Click on that. So guys, how we can make money from Facebook? ClickBank is an affiliate program website. So guys, how we can make our money from Facebook? You need to do is, guys, create an account, and then when you create an account on ClickBank, go to affiliate marketplace, click on that. You can see here, guys, lots of categories here, arts and entertainment, lots of product. So you need to do is, guys, as you can see here, find products. You need to click on this search icon. When you click on search icon, guys, ClickBank show you the trending product. So as you can see here, guys, here a product called Lefty Talk's biggest payout ever, View Mobile. This product is, guys, a weight loss product, and when you sell a single product, you get, guys, $68 commission. So for example, guys, you want to promote this product, click on this product, and we are right now the sales page. As you can see here, this website is so optimized for selling. So I need to promote this product. Click on promote. And then, guys, fill out your account nickname and get your affiliate link. For privacy reason, I don't show you my account nickname or anything else. So right now we get our affiliate link, and we need to do is, guys, go to new tab and search bit.ly. As you can see here, bit.ly, click on that. Click on this first result. Click on create, and then, guys, paste your URL or link, and then click on create. Boom! As you can see here, we get our affiliate link. Go to new tab and search on Facebook. So as we know, guys, this product is weight loss product, and we need to do is, guys, go on Facebook and then, guys, search weight loss, WIGHT LOS. Click on search icon, and then, guys, you need to do is click on groups. As we can see here on Facebook, we found a lot of weight loss related Facebook groups, and we need to do is, guys, join all these groups, and then, guys, copy this link, and then, guys, give them tips or trick with your affiliate link. When they buy, you get, guys, once again $68 commission. If you get 2 sales a day, that's mean probably you get 130 to $135 per day. So that's it. Hey, if you enjoy this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.